All right, good afternoon, everyone. Let's come back to attention. Thank you. All right, good afternoon. It is an honor and privilege to be here. My name is Brandon Cahee, and I'm the National Chair of the National Black Law Students Association. Thank you. I am also a fourth-year evening student at the University of Baltimore School of Law. So first, I would like to thank Evangeline and the great staff that has put on this great event. I know we're just getting started this morning, but from the comments of many of my predecessors here today, I'm very esteemed and honored and glad and hopeful that you will gain a lot of different aspects to take back to you as you look at aspiring towards your legal career. Second, it is great to also be here looking back that I never would have seen myself doing this years ago before I started law school. And I sat in the same and similar seats as yourself, where you were trying to figure out what's next, is this for me, and what is my next calling and next step in life. And so we're here as resources and people to be of guidance to you as you figure out these hard decisions, but then as you step into what is destined to be your next steps in your life. So thank you for taking the steps of even being here today, because that is actually a great thing. So next, I want to talk about BLSA. BLSA, the National Black Law Students Association's mission is to increase the number of culturally responsible Black and minority attorneys who excel academically, succeed professionally, and positively impact the community. And if you don't know about the organization, and many lawyers here have also been a part of BLSA, we are a large affinity group and the largest student nonprofit-led, student-run nonprofit in the country. And so when you go to law school, we are basically an organization that you should look at joining, and we are a family away from your family. We are generally someone that invites you to come and be among like-minded peers, just as you see in this room, and to be of guidance to you as you try to excel in everything that you do in law school. Whether it's from learning how to get outline banks, learning how to academically succeed, how to actually network with teachers and faculty of color at your school, and really to be of a resource to you, because being in law school is already tough in itself, and then it's even tougher being a person of color in law school. So we are here to help you along that journey, guide you, and be individuals that can help you step into your next levels of your career. Second, as many have gone about, I will go ahead and share just some common things that I've taken along as I have gone and come to the place in which I am today, and just give you some words of advice and some things that you can take home with you. So first, I want to encourage you to take full advantage of not only the sessions here today, but really network with the individuals here in the room. If you never ask, you won't ever get an answer. So it's very important to look and reach out to everyone that's here. And it doesn't matter the age, because you don't know what you can learn from someone else that's even a more affluent attorney, or someone that's a peer just sitting to the left of you or to the right of you. You don't know the different things that they can actually help you to get to your next level in your career, into what you're actually aspiring to do, which is obviously going into the legal profession. So please really take this time and really get to know one another, and really take these resources back with you as you go home. Second, just because you don't feel you meet the requirements in something that you're applying for or doing, or even trying to go towards, don't underestimate your self-worth. I know lots of times that's something I always did when I did application. I know someone mentioned that before. You always felt like it wasn't for you, or this qualification, wasn't meant exactly for everything you've done. But the best thing that I always say to myself is, the worst thing someone can say is no. The best thing someone can say is yes. So you have to sometimes just step out on faith and know that things are destined for you, and that things are meant for you. And please just go ahead and never accept that requirements are a set mold. People look for you to challenge those, and you can do it. Third, all you have to do is reach out and ask, as I said before, because many people want to give back and give to you what we wish we would have known before we started law school. It's not our goal to make it harder on you as you're looking to achieve your level of success after law school. Our goal is to really give you the tools and resources, let you know, what do we wish we would have known about a personal statement versus a diversity statement? What do we know that, what does it really take for you instead of doing 20 tries at a personal statement? What is your story? What is your narrative? What do you have to give back? And why do you really want to become a lawyer? That's what people want to hear in an admission statement. Third, it's always great to have a plan, but don't always let a streamlined plan deter you from where you're going. I know that's happened to me millions of times where you say, I know I want to, be a justice on the Supreme Court. Let's just say that. And I know I need to do A, B, C, D, E, F, G to get there. But at the end of the day, you might not make it to level C or D in your plan, but it doesn't mean that you won't ever meet letter Z, right? You have to always know that and be assured in the steps that are leading you towards what your real goals are in life. And know that even if there are deterrences in it, don't let that stop you from going towards your end goal. All right. Last, and some of the last points, understand that you are standing on the shoulders of many who have come before you. And you are not alone. Be encouraged to step out on faith and fulfill your dreams. And also, when it seems the road is getting tough and obstacles are in your way, be assured it's solely because your future is very bright. And you are going to see your end goal. And this always reminds me, because there's going to be different things that will always come up. And it's not a bad thing to say that. But it's the fact that the more things come at you, it's because your end is very close. And so your goals and successes in life are very near. And this always reminds me of when I grew up in church back at home in Texas. I'm from Houston, Texas as well. There was a church hymn that they would sing, and it would go, if you have the faith to believe my brother, if you have the faith to believe my sister, if you have the faith, you can say it on a mountain. Mountain, I want you to move. So speak that to your mountains. Speak that to things that get in your way. Know that you are truly destined for greatness, and there is nothing that can stop you as long as you believe in yourself and go for your dreams. And so from that, I do want to let you all know that we are here to ensure your success. And just reach out to us, grab a business card from me at the end of the day or whenever you see me. And also, I do want to let you know we do have a lot of BALSA members and representatives, if you heard from Lauren earlier with Harvard BALSA, and I have a lot of regional representatives and some of our National Alumni Advisory Committee members here as well. We are all here to give back to you. And we hope that you can reach back out to BALSA and that you are encouraged when you do go to law school to join BALSA. We do want to let you also know that we do have a pre-law student division of BALSA. And so if you're interested in that, please reach out to me. And we have many pre-law chapters at many schools across the country. And so at the law school level, we have over 200 affiliate chapters. So among those, there are many pre-law student divisions. And if there isn't one at your school, we have to where you can charter a chapter too as well. And it allows for people to have a pipeline to our national organization. So I greatly thank you, and I hope that you take some of the words that I've been able to share with you to heart and lead yourself into the next level of your career and be the individual that we need in order to move our legal profession forward. Thank you.